Have you ever struggled to explain what your business does in a way that truly resonates? A clear and compelling brand message is the secret to connecting with your ideal customer and standing out in your industry. Today, we'll show you how to craft a message that makes people say, "That's exactly what I need." Welcome to Small Business Big Visibility, the podcast empowering you, adventurous small business owners, to attract your ideal customers and boost your revenue. I'm your host, Jason McKenzie. Each week, we'll explore easy-to-implement tools and strategies to take your business to new heights and build the lifestyle you want. If you're ready for more profits and less stress, let's get started. In the last episode, we tackled one of the most critical aspects of your marketing foundation, defining your ideal customer. We explored how narrowing your focus helps you attract the right people and align your efforts for maximum impact. Jane, the carpet cleaning business owner we've been talking about, discovered her ideal customer was families with kids and pets. That clarity transformed how she marketed her business, saving her both time and money. Now that you know who you're speaking to, the next step's to figure out what to say. A clear and compelling brand message helps your ideal customers instantly understand how you can help them. Let's build that message together. All right, so Jane was ready to take her carpet cleaning business to the next level. She had identified her ideal customer, busy families with pet owners, and even started focusing her marketing efforts on platforms like local Facebook groups and Google reviews. But there was still one problem. When Jane tried to describe her business, she was struggling to find the right words. She'd say things like, "We clean carpets and upholstery," or "We're a local carpet cleaning service." While these are technically true descriptions, they don't excite her customers or really make her business stand out from the competitors. One day, a frustrated Jane shared her challenges with her mentor. "I know my ideal customer, but I can't figure out how to explain why they should choose me over someone else." He asked a simple question: "What's the transformation you're offering your customers?" Jane thought about it. It wasn't just clean carpets she was selling. She's giving parents a bit of peace of mind, really. She was helping pet owners create a healthier home for their furry friends. With her mentor's guidance, Jane crafted a new brand message. "We help busy families and pet owners keep their homes clean and healthy with professional carpet and upholstery cleaning you can trust." This message is simple and clear and focused on what her ideal customers cared most about. Can you really feel the difference? Jane's old message was generic and forgettable. Her new message spoke directly to her ideal customer's needs and emotions. Now, how can you craft a brand message that resonates with your audience? Here's a simple formula to help you get started. 1. Start with your ideal customer. Your brand message really begins with who you're talking to. Think about that persona you created in the last episode. What are their biggest challenges or desires? For Jane, it was busy families and pet owners. 2 is highlight the problem you solve. So what problem does your ideal customer need help with? Be really specific. In Jane's case, her customers wanted a clean carpet but didn't have time or tools to do it themselves. A weak message might say, "We clean carpets." A strong one says, "We make life easier for busy families by keeping their carpets spotless and home healthy." Number 3 is share your unique solution. So what makes your solution different from the competitors? This is your chance to highlight your unique value. Do you offer faster service, better products, a personal touch? Jane's message included professional carpet and upholstery cleaning you can trust, which emphasized reliability and professionalism. The fourth item is to use simple and conversational language. Your brand message should feel natural, like something you'd say in a conversation. Avoid technical jargon or complicated phrases. For example, instead of saying "we provide industry-leading solutions for floor sanitation," Jane's message was clear and approachable. "We help busy families and pet owners keep their homes clean and healthy." All right, here's some example of a great brand message. For a local bakery, we bake fresh, handmade treats that bring people together. For a dog trainer, we help dog owners build better relationships with their pets through positive training techniques. An IT consultant, we make technology simple so you can focus on running your business. Having a strong brand message speaks directly to your ideal customer, focuses on the problem you solve, highlights what makes you unique. It also is easy to understand. When your message is clear and compelling, it really can act almost like a magnet, drawing the right customers to your business. And the best part, once you've crafted your brand message, you can use it everywhere, from the website to social media to networking conversations. Now, a concern that I've heard from people before is I really can't narrow this down to one message. My business does so many things. That's a valid concern, but here's the truth. Your brand message isn't about listing everything you do. It's really focusing in on the one thing your ideal customers care most about. Think of it like the headline of a news article. The headline doesn't tell the whole story, but it'll grab that attention and make you want to learn more. Your brand message is going to work in that same way. It's that starting point that's going to open that door to deeper conversations about your business. So if you're struggling, start simple. You can always refine your message over time as you learn more about what resonates with your audience. Consider this. Your brand message isn't about what you do, it's about why it matters to your customers. Now take 10 minutes today and write down your draft message using the formula we shared. Remember to start with your ideal customer, highlight their problem, share your unique solution, and don't forget to subscribe to Small Business Big Visibility. In the next episode, we'll explore how to choose the right marketing channels to amplify your message. Until next time, craft your message, share your story, and watch your business thrive.